Hello, my name is Brayden, and today I'm going to be showing you what polynomials are and how to simplify them. So first, I'm going to show you the basics of a monomial and a binomial and a trinomial. A monomial has one term, a binomial has two terms, and a trinomial has three terms. So I'm going to show you an example. So say if we have like 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. That's a trinomial because it has three terms. So 1, 2, and 3. A binomial would be like something like this. If you could see it, 4x plus 7. That's a binomial since it only has two terms. If you can see it right there. And then a monomial would be like a number or something. It would be like 9. That's a monomial because it only has one term. So that's pretty much the basics. So if we were able to simplify it, we would be combining the like terms. So here I'm gonna show you what like terms are. So for example, if there's an x squared, that's gonna be a different term. And then if there's a coefficient plus a variable like 5x, that's gonna be another term. And then just the coefficient like this, that would be another term. So these three things are different terms. So if you were able to simplify it, you would have to just simplify it to these three left, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna be doing an equation. Wait, first I'm gonna show you what these terms are. So x or a different letter would be a variable, and then 4 or 5 would be the coefficient, and that's the exponent, and yeah. And then the degree is just how many letters are there in the terms, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a simple equation. I'm gonna find one in the textbook. Let's do this, so it'd be more simple. So we have 3x minus 2x squared plus x minus 2x squared. Oh, my pencil is about to break. It's fine. So how we would be able to simplify this is by combining the like terms. So for example, there's 3x. This would combine with this letter x right here because they're both the same. And therefore, it would be 3x plus x, so it would be 4x. Then what we have left is the x squared. So it would be negative 2x minus negative 2x. Therefore, it would be negative 4x squared. So that's a simple way of simplifying it. But it would be more harder if there were more numbers and terms. So let's find a more harder one. Here. 2q minus 4q squared. 4q squared minus 2 plus 3q squared plus 2 minus 3q. So that's a lot of terms right there. So Let's combine the like terms again. So negative 4q squared. Let's find another q squared, which is right here. So negative 4 plus 3, that would be negative 1. Or you could just say negative q squared. You don't have to put the 1 because this is basically 1. Negative q squared, and then we have the numbers with only letters. So 2q minus 3q, that would be negative 1 again, so you could just put negative q. I'm pretty sure you can see that. And then what we had left is the numbers, so negative 2 plus 2, that would be 0, so we don't have to put anything there. So the answer would be negative q squared minus q. That's how you would simplify it. Pretty simple.